Is your 2014 Jeep Grand Cherokee backup camera showing a blue screen instead of the view behind you? Research shows that 80% of these signal failures are caused by damaged wiring in the liftgate hinge area. Let us break down the troubleshooting steps to isolate the fault. Start by checking the harness connections and inspecting the liftgate rubber boot for any pinched or broken wires. The most common failure points are the camera module connector, the hinge wiring loom, or the camera sensor itself. Sometimes the issue is software related, where the Uconnect head unit fails to process the incoming video signal correctly. You can tackle simple wiring repairs yourself, but internal head unit faults usually require a professional technician. Repair costs vary significantly depending on whether you need a simple wire splice or a full head unit replacement. If basic checks fail, use a multimeter to test for power and ground at the camera plug itself. Keep a digital multimeter and trim removal tools handy to safely access the wiring without damaging your interior panels. Always remember to disconnect the battery before probing electrical circuits to prevent shorting out other sensitive electronic modules. Check those wires, reset your system, and get your rearview visibility back on track. Thanks for watching.